Good afternoon from Tom Masano Ford, Pandora Mazda reporting in, and we are at the Quick Lane. We have finally got rid of all of our customers. They're all satisfied. We can actually go in and check in with Rachel, who's running our service department. Come on in. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, Pandora.
Hi, I want to introduce everybody to Rachel Maroney. She is our service advisor in the Quick Lane. Rachel, tell us some of the things that you do here.
We do all of the quick stuff, the oil changes, the rotate tires, balance tires. If you have a bulb go out and you're on your way to the mall, we'll gladly fix it.
Wow.
Have a blown tire, we'll gladly fix it.
Yeah, so if I'm driving down the road and my tire blows, I'm going to thank Tom Masano Quick Lane. Quick.
You got it.
Excellent. That's great. Anything you want to tell us about any other services you may offer?
We do car washes when it isn't too cold.
Okay,
So when
that's
it's
nice.
above freezing temperatures,
Oh, that's a nice perk, yeah.
yes, we do a complimentary car wash for all of our customers.
Excellent, excellent. So come on down and see us at Tom Masano Ford. Come see Rachel. She's ready for you anytime. Have a beautiful day from Tom Masano Ford. Bye now.
Guys.